Hello, Macy here. Welcome back to my channel. Last week we wrapped up the dashboard endpoints, and this week we are diving into a new feature. Lets users record themselves reading out sentences with specific tones. It's gonna be fun.
Imagine your app as a busy city hall. The front end is where citizens interact, filling up application forms, and the backend endpoints are like different departments to deal with different applications. To bring our new recording challenge to life, we are creating specific departments, also known as the endpoints, to deal with the various applications. One endpoint will track user progress, like a progress checking counter. Another will distribute the application forms or reading materials. And finally, we need an endpoint to securely store completed applications and related information. Coding is a bit like writing a novel. You start with a rough draft, just getting your ideas down. Then comes the editing process, refining the plot, removing unnecessary details, and improving the overall structure. In coding, it's similar. I experiment with different approaches to optimize the code and enhance its security. To streamline the process, I've been breaking down code into reusable functions and class methods, and structuring data models like building blocks for better organization and efficiency. Let's see how we can make this model more flexible and scalable. Imagine we want to add fields like file URL, description, and text later. Instead of clustering this model with optional fields, we can use composition. This allows us to create smaller, more focused models and combine them as needed. We realized that our existing voice model already includes several necessary elements: created, modified, file URL, text, and description. By replacing these duplicated fields with a reference to the voice model, we noticeably cleaned out the user challenge model and reduced code redundancy.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating. Bye bye!